Hello everyone. How is it going? I hope you all doing fine and yeah, welcome back to my channel. And for today's reading, I'm going to give you like the quick rundown how your life in 3 months going to be like. And I actually not don't exactly know why I feel drawn to suddenly deliver this kind of reading. I mean, I never done similar reading before, but yeah, here I am. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started with Pal 1. Hello, Pal 1. So if you choose a table with full of roses, then this is going to be your reading. Um, yeah, just for advance notice, I would like to apologize if I sound, sometimes stuttering or sometimes I'm all over the place. Well, I don't exactly know why, but my energy lately has been kind of not stable. But weirdly enough, my health is improving, like physical health, mental health also improving. So yeah, if you are not passionate enough, feel free to leave this reading. This might be not for you, but if you still feel drawn to this reading, then please, be patient. I expect some level of understanding here and compassion. All right. So let's see, Palwan, how your life going to be in the next 3 months. We have the Eight of Wands, what is this? The Four of Cups, next we have the Eight of Coins, Page of Swords, the last we got the Magician. I hope you can see the cards clearly on your screen. Alright, Palwan, how is your life going to be in the next 3 months? I'm hearing somehow, and this is not what I read from the cards. Yeah, this is just from channeling. I heard somehow it's either right now or in recent past you experience this certain level of disappointment in something. Yeah. And if you do, please keep continue listening to this reading because what I am about to say, it's going to talk about the continuation of your story, your chapter. All right, pal one, it looks to me in the first few months, especially in the next month, you can say, you still will carry this energy of disappointment, not in the way where life has risen for you to feel that way, but you still carrying, yeah, you will still carrying that kind of energy within you. And you sometimes going to miss a lot of things in a sense where sometimes there is a, for example, an opportunity coming your way. it's either you don't see it or you fail to see it. Like, just for example, you have been sending job applications to a lot of employers, to a lot of companies, and yet you haven't received any feedback. Yeah. So you feel so down about the whole thing. You feel like you want to take some time, which is very fine, very human, of course, for us to obviously detaching ourselves from the things that hurt us, right? But suddenly, some message, some feedback wants to interview you, like you are being invited to an interview. But because you feel so down about yourself, you don't know and you don't want to know what's going on in your inbox, then you don't open the inbox at all. When actually in that inbox, there are some, you know, interview invitation you got from companies. But again, because you are carrying the energy, that happiness within, you're going to miss that. And please remember, Palwan, just because I say all of this, it doesn't mean it's you cannot change things. Yeah, it's just the possibility of how things going to turn out from your current energy. So again, by hearing me saying all of this, please do what is necessary. Yeah, to if you don't like the reading, you can change it. But what can you change in the present moment so you can attract different future for yourself? I know you can answer it for yourself, One. All right, so right now let's step into the energy of the cards. All right. What is funny is you got quite opposite energy. Yeah. Even if you right now feeling so down about something, for example, about your career or your life in general, why there's nothing happening there, why it has been so stagnant, so mundane lately. And it's just, I'm hearing, if you are listening this reading by the end of December, by late December, then the next month or by January, you're going to see kind of, how do you say it? A speeding up, yeah? A speeding up in your career or in your life in general, where you got to be on your feet almost constantly to manage or to juggle things here and there. It's almost giving me, kind of hectic energy in your life. But don't worry, pal one. It's not going to be, bad or terrible. In fact, this is the movement you have been waiting for. I'm seeing number 17, so it could be 17 of next month, or it could be, 8 of the month, or I don't know, I hear 4. So again, it could be different to each of you. But the thing is, pal one, you're going to be smiling a lot, especially for the first few months, like the first and second month, because you will reap a certain reward of something you have done in the past. And now it's coming back to you at full speed and full power. I'm hearing for most, you're going also to receive kind of a retribution from universe because you have done good karma in your past. So if you in the past 2 years or 3 years, you have been doing something out of heart and you don't expect anything in return, or even if you do expect it, then I see there's no, no money coming back or that kind of thing, basically no return, then you're going to see it soon. You're going to see it the next month that everything you have put in the past is coming back. Yeah, it's coming back full cycle. And it's almost like in the past, of course, you got to learn about, different things about yourself. How do you manage your emotion? How do you move forward? No matter what you are feeling inside, no matter how the situation outside might look like. Yeah. But little do you know, pal one, it's like, yes, it's partly about that, but other part of story, it's all because you need to learn that life has its own cycle. Yeah. And sometimes it doesn't have to do with us. It's just again the ebb and flow of universe of life. It's just the nature of things. I think I talked about this in my previous reading, if I'm not mistaken, and it's for pal 2 or pal 3. So you can come from that reading also. And it's like wave. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it goes, that kind of stuff where you got to realize sometimes no matter how much effort, how much time, how much energy, emotion we spend on something, we just don't get the result, or we get the result but very little, you know, not as much as we want to. Again, this is not something because, you know, things inside of things inside of us are wrong or something like that. But sometimes, again, everything has its own timing, its own nature. Yeah. So I think you will have all of this goodness for the next 3 months is because partly you understand why and how things happen. Like energetically speaking, just like what I said, you understand it all. So you surrender yourself to the universe, you keep on putting effort in yourself, in your business, or, academic life, or or it could be anything, right? And as a return, universe is giving you back, paying you for all the faith you have been putting in universe, in God, in yourself. Like it's coming to you, pal one. And also you will have easier time to manifest whatever you want, especially in the next, I'm hearing 4 to 6 weeks. You will come to realization that manifestation don't to doesn't have to be complicated, doesn't have to be hard. It's just sometimes it's about finding out what is working the best for us. Because obviously it could be different to each of us, right? For some people, one manifestation is working for them pretty well, but for us it just doesn't work. You know, it just kind of taking different approach to things, and yet it will it will give you like this big good result as consequence. I'm also seeing like a good times coming in the regard of your career. It's like it doesn't matter where you work. So it could, you work for yourself, you have your own business, or you work under somebody, under a company, you're going to get recognized either by your boss, by clients, and your name will becoming more and more popular in that community. Again, depending where you work, but you get the idea, right? And it's like things, I don't know if I have said this, but things are going to pick up its speed. So be prepared, pal one, for whatever to come. And there's an advice here. you might need to work on your communication skill for the next 3 months. I'm saying it's all because you're going to need all that skill to communicate better with clients, with boss, etc. It could be anyone, but it's like if you have that better communication, you're going to have even more benefit for the next 3 months. Yeah. So please keep that in mind, Pal One. All right, Pal One, I think that's all. I hope you enjoyed the reading, and if you do, please give this video a like, share, and subscribe. And I would like to see you next time. Bye. Hello everyone. How is it going? I hope you all doing amazing. And for today's reading, let's just get straight to the pal. And if you choose the second picture, you have the, I just read it. It's a black bracelet, I think. So yeah, here we are. How your life going to be in the next 3 months? I have prepared some cards beforehand, and let's see what you got, pal 2. Did I say pal 1 previously? And if I did, I'm so sorry. Let's see, we have 2 of coins. Alright, I don't know who this message for, but if you are somebody who feel, who would want to hear a career message from this reading, then here it is. I mean, it's your confirmation. It's going to talk also about career, or it could talk about, again, career, like all over, like in entirety. Oh my goodness. And yeah, if you also feel not stable in your life in regard to finance, career, or just, general life, this message might be for you as well. All right, what we have next here, pal 2? We have the 2 of Wands. You got double 2. And what is interesting is I just saw number 2222. Like, I think it's a message for myself, but then I saw 22 again, so you might see 22 like on the clocks or anywhere where you go. And next we have the 8 of Wands. What is with today's reading? Pal 1 also got 8 of Wands on their pal, so you might also want to check pal 1 if you feel drawn to. What is this? We have 7 of Swords. We have Page of Wands. The last is the King of Wands. Alright, pal 2. How your life is going to be in the next 3 months. Let me tap into your energy, and it will take me some time, so please be patient. I'm not sure where this reading is going to be, like the direction, but what I get here, pal 2, is the fact that you might come across certain situation or event where you got your hands full of things, like you have so much to juggle, to handle, and it might require some intelligence on your part, like how to be more efficient, how to be more, smart, how to work smart rather than work hard in the situation. Because of course, if we don't use that, if we don't use our mental intellect, we only going to be, doing some redundant thing, right? But to me, it doesn't feel anything bad is going to happen to you. I mean, you might need to again use your intellect to solve a little bit of, how do you say it, like hustle here and there. But it's like it's all the consequence of something bigger coming to your life. Like we have page of wands, king of wands, two of wands, and also eight of wands. It's like you will come across, it could be a certain new job, new project, or just you going to cooperate with different people altogether compared to, the people you know right now. It's going to be brand new people, and you're going to take a chance in yourself, and this whatever this next project is, this next job, collaboration or brand deals, even to some of you, it's like things are going to get hectic, but in a good way. This is the time where you can expect movement, you can expect progress, but remember to keep your health in check, especially physical health. I'm hearing consume more sugar and also more protein. But again, moderation is the key. I don't want you to consume sugar to the point where you get a diabetes, right? And yeah, for protein also, we don't only need proteins in our diets. Yeah, we need all the balanced nutrients. But you know what I'm trying to say, right? That's just a message for some. Again, remember, moderation is the key. And it's also saying you need to kind of be more mindful where you put your energy into. Like in the next 3 months, you already see like so much things going to happen, right? So of course, it's only going to be logical and important for you to not get triggered over small things, because obviously you got way, other things you need to deal with, like you need to fix, for example, or just to manage. If you get triggered over small things and, here and there, then you're going to get burned out way sooner. And of course, we don't want that to happen, right, pal, too? Because of course, again, you still have a lot of things to manage. And it's like with the page of wands, it feels to me you're going to work under somebody or under some kind of new guidance here. Could be new mentor, new boss, or just working in a different environment. So again, could be new job, or it could be you finally decide to open your own business, but you are cooperating with other people instead of running the business on your own. You choose to, how do you say it, like having business with a lot of people instead of just relying on yourself, just depending on yourself. This is not a solo journey, I feel. And it's like you about to step into different almost world, because again I feel this is not the things you have done in the past. This is completely new, and you will be kind of quote unquote enrolled to something. And it's also might be confirmation for few of you. If you're thinking about, applying to some school, then yes, you're going to get accepted big time. And it's also giving me the energy where you might be beginner in something, and yet you're going to learn fast, and it's going to impress your boss, your colleague, or whoever who is going to be involved in the same project or in the same job as you. Yeah. You will be given more responsibility, more trust, because the way you manage things, because the way you execute things. Very professional, very smart, efficient, and it's like you have a knack for it. Like, how do you say it? Like a natural talent. You just have it in you all along. And this project opportunity or this new job, just opening it up, just exposing you to the right experience so you can understand and you can recognize where your talent actually lies in and how you can develop that. You will come across that kind of realization. All right, I'm going to draw a few more cards for you here because I feel there's some layer of mystery we are yet to see. We have the Ace of Coins. And the card, the Ace of Coins, it wanted to hide. It's very fitting, right, to what I just said before that there's still some layer of mystery to your reading. And next we have the Six of Cups. All right, pile two. I want to say pile three actually, but anyway. Oh my goodness, it's like I can actually like if I force it, I can actually get way more information about the Ace of Pentacles. But Spirit just told me don't spoil the fun, don't ruin the fun for pile two. So I don't want to do that obviously, right? But they allow me to give you some hints, to give you a little bit information, like sprinkle of information here and there just to, keep you motivated. If right now you feel down about your life or about your career in general, you just at the very verge of giving up, of, feeling very discouraged about everything, then hear me out, pal, too. Universe is going to give you opportunity to renew your life, to rejuvenate your life. Yeah. And this is going to come in the form of over. And you got to know whatever universe about to give to you, it's for the best. Even at first it might look very unfamiliar because you never heard of it or you never got involved in this kind of field. Try it and you will not get disappointed. You will not regret it. It's all there for a reason, and you are also chosen for this particular role for a reason. Yeah. So please, if you have imposter syndrome, from the time you are watching this, prepare yourself and do what is necessary to keep it under control. And with the energy of Six of Cups, pile 2, I feel because of all of this opportunity happening, all of this event, you will come to a place of peace, of groundedness. You will finally find that sense of sanctuary within yourself. Now you will be in the place where this is how life is going to be. I learned all the lessons. I know how to, you know, kind of to conclude. Like, again, sometimes life can be so exhilarating, so exciting, but sometimes it also could be very challenging at times, right? No, I understand it. Now I surrender to it more. And yeah, you basically will have this kind of downloads, yeah, downloading of wisdom, of acceptance, and you can finally feel stable in yourself. You can finally feel confident how you can handle situation and how dependable you truly are. You're going to see all of that. All right, part two, I think that's all. I hope you enjoyed the reading. And if you do, please give this video a like, share, and subscribe. I hope I'll see you next time. Bye. Hello, pal 3. How is it going? I hope you are all doing amazing. And for today's reading, we are going to talk about how your life is going to be in the next 3 months. And I have prepared your card beforehand. And let's see, pal 3, how it's going to be like in the next 3 months. We have the 5 of Wands. Hope you can see that. Next is the 9 of Swords. Ace of Cups. The Empress. The Star cards. And the last we have the Queen of Cups. Alright, pile 3. We are talking about life in the next 3 months, right? And yet, from what I'm seeing here, it's either right now or lately. For some time, you have been in this energy of trying to either make things work or putting your all into something. It's almost like as if no matter how much effort, time, energy, emotion you invested in something, it doesn't seem to give you any fruit you want. It doesn't seem like it yields any result. Nothing expected coming to your way yet, or that at least what you feel. And it's like you have this difficulty to trust or to have faith in yourself, in how things are going to be, or even in God, in universe. I feel you you kind of like a pendulum. Like sometimes you have your faithful in your project, in your work, business, could be whatever, right? But sometimes it's like your glass is almost empty. Instead of seeing it's half full, it's almost empty now. Yeah. Back and forth, back and forth. That, that's what I'm seeing here, pal 3. And obviously that's not unfounded, right? You have valid reason to feel everything you feel. And let's honor it, honor your feelings. This is not something for you to just brush off. Yeah? But remember, acknowledge your feeling for only to process it, only to finally let it go if it's something negative. Yeah? Why am I saying all of this? It's because we got the Ace of Cups here. This is the thing you don't see right now. And if you are wondering why things haven't been happening the way you want it, it's because the universe right now is cooking up better things for you so you can download it, you can experience it in the future. Yeah. That's why this is the period where you want to call us void period, where everything is too calm. There's no movement, even stagnation. Yeah. I'm hearing for some of you, you might experience stagnation for, I'm hearing 2 years, 3 years, depending on each person. But the idea is, again, no matter how much effort, time, energy, whatever you putting in for a long, long time, it doesn't give you any result. And it's not without a reason, pal 3. One of the reasons is, I know it's going to sound frustrating, going to sound, obviously it will make some people angry, but yeah, I'm here just to deliver this thing. How you perceive it completely up to you. And I apologize in advance if it's if it might sound offending somebody here, but it's like you got other things to introspect. Yeah. I feel there are certain aspects in your life you have been overlooking. So it's like right now or for quite some time, universe is trying to make you see that. So it could be you are wounded, so universe wants you to heal, or you need a certain change in perspective about something. Yeah, basically it's the time where it would be beneficial for us all to have that contemplation, to have, how do you say it, like a hermit period where you all by yourself and you discovering things on your own, having all those profound realization about life, about yourself, while waiting what is, what you deserve, that is already on the way. But remember, I say like universe is cooking things up for you in the background. So of course, cooking, it takes a lot of time from the preparation, and then, actually do the cooking, like seasoning, all the required steps, technique, and then you cook it for real, like bake it or something. Then finally you have it on your plate once it's done. But yet, of course, you still a little bit of plating, right? For its appearance to be appetizing. So of course, it's going to take different or several stages. That's why it haven't come to you yet. But the good news is, pal 3, what you are about to experience in the next 3 months is, first of all, I feel like it's either right now or about to in very, I think it's going to be happening in few weeks from now, max. You're going to experience this sense of peace, this sense of, how do you say it, like settlement, like you feel so settled in yourself, you feel so centered, so grounded, and you're no longer in that energy of overthinking, of having this negative pattern of behavior or thinking. You basically unshackle yourself from negative habit, negative emotion, negative thoughts, or even 3 of them. And why you are releasing all of this? It's because I feel for some of you who working in the entertainment industry, so you could be a model, you could be a TV anchor, news anchor, or basically a profession where it has audience in it, you're going to feel very abundant because your life is about to take a very beautiful turn. Yeah. Even if you don't work in the entertainment industry, it doesn't matter. I just want to put more emphasis on the, entertainer, performer. If you're putting also something out there online, it's going to get more traffic, like way more traffic. And you're going to be somebody who is referred, yeah, referred in certain field. You're going to gain respect, admiration from people, and even love because you have so much talent and you personality wise also very wonderful person to have around or to be friends with. And it's like you going to be, yeah, I keep getting the energy of you are going to get seen, to be seen by a lot of people, to be admired at. And it's like you're going to have this glow up in your appearance, in your wardrobe, in your bank account. So congratulations if you have been waiting for money or career success. You're going to have a lot of people coming towards you to, work together, to have collaboration. I don't know, I'm hearing brand deals. So if you could be also influencer for some of you, or your business somehow blow up. I'm hearing out of proportion. I don't know, but that's what I'm hearing. Without you even trying your hardest. Yeah, it's almost like effortless. It's just the way things going to be like. Yeah, this is what meant to be on your path, pal tree. And to me, whatever you about to get in the next 3 months, it's going to reveal so much about yourself, you know. So you're going to understand, you're going to realize who you truly are, what is your potential is, how much you can achieve, like, and how skillful you are in certain jobs, certain field. Yeah. You will have this boost of confidence because people, like a lot of people are going to see you on stage. I don't know why I'm hearing that, but again, the energy of fame, of status is going to be very important here in the next 3 months. And I'm also seeing pal tree, some big name. It could be big name in general or a big name, not very known person in your own field, in your own community. They are going to reach out to you. They would want to either work with you or just connect with you to, talking about somehow business or, yeah, that kind of opportunity where you can connect professionally with other people, like social gathering also. It's almost like you're going to be acquainted with higher ups people, yeah, or basically you're going to be seen as a diamond, very rare diamond, very rare gem that people cannot come across every day, or even like metaphorically speaking, it's like a shooting star that is seen every 400 years or every, I don't know, like 60 100 1600 years, things like that. But it's like, again, you're going to be very referred. It's almost like you're going to sit on your throne for this, for the next months. But what I like about you, pal tree, is the fact that you will feel very, how do you say it, very flattered, yes, and of course you will feel happy, right, with all of this recognition, admiration, and yet you still very humble. You still very, have your time for people you love, have your time for your fans. I don't know why I'm hearing fans, but no, you have it. And it's like you don't lose yourself regardless of this fame, regardless of how much money or success coming into your way. And I'm also seeing you going to be liked by a lot of people even more because of this, because of your personality. It's just everything about you, Paltry, going to shine through, going to shine really, really bright in other people's eyes. Yeah. And obviously, it's not without reasons, right? And you just heard me many reasons why it's all happening. And yeah, I'm just here to remind you, if somehow the situation around you right now is not looking up, like you feel hopeless, helpless about your life situation, money, or whatever you have in mind right now that bugging you down, truth is it doesn't matter. Not in the way where I want to invalidate your feelings, but in the way where, look what is coming ahead for you. And it's like, I think this is our own job to actually have our mind under control so it doesn't spiral out of control, and turning us into negative person, right? We got to maintain positive attitude, maintain positive energy, and deal with the negative emotion we feel every day, right? At least that's what I'm thinking about. Adult responsibility. So it's not only by external things, but also we are responsible for how things are going inside. Because ultimately, we owe inner happiness to ourselves. Yeah. We deserve that inner peace. Because again, we love ourselves, we respect ourselves. So please, Baltri, do what is necessary for you to reach that point of peace, of equilibrium within. Remember, you have a lot of amazing things coming ahead, and you deserve all of this. Yeah. All right, Baltri, that's all I can say. If you like this reading, please give this video a like, share, and subscribe. I hope I will see you next time. Bye.